want to show you this new app called Sky Replacement. Why don't you go ahead and press that button? Okay, so this is going to be your home page, and the first thing you want to do is pick out a foreground photo. So go down here into your library, and you want to pick a photo that has a lot of sky in it. So
I have some beach pictures.
Beach pictures are great. When you're taking a photo, you want to get down low and kind of point it up, and that'll give you some really good stuff to work with. How about this one? Okay, so now that we have a foreground image, we're going to choose a background image, and you're going to find your background images up here at the top. If you go to this icon, that's going to take you back into your library. You can pick something there, or you can go back to these, and these are all different collections of different background images. So we've got paintings, we've got landmarks, there's some sci-fi stuff. So why don't we choose a painting? And you choose that one right there. That's good. Okay, so if you use your fingers, you can size the background by pinching or pulling, and you can move it around. The most important thing to remember is to make sure that your horizon lines match up. You want to make sure you replace the whole sky. So when you get it to where you like it, this button right here is going to be your processing button. And when you hit that, it's going to take the two images that you just picked out and put them together. So that is your first sky replacement.
That's great.
It does, but it could look better. If you look here in the background photo, the light source is coming from one direction, whereas in the foreground photo, it's coming from the opposite direction. What we can do is hit this X button right here. That's going to take you back. And this button right here is the flip button. And it'll go ahead and flip that background for you.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So now when you process it, it's going to look much better. It's going to make more sense.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Nice. So if you love it, you can go ahead and save it right here, and it'll save it into your photo library. Or you can hit this button, and that's your social media button where you can share it. Or hit this, and it'll take you back, and I'll show you something else. Once you hit that X button, if you look here, this little star button, this is a collection of different, what we call them, sky stickers. It's little images that you can throw up in the sky. And we've got a collection of birds, there's a collection of different planes, explosions, astronauts, all kinds of fun stuff that you can fill up your background with. So why don't we pick a plane and throw it up in the background? So all you have to do is click on the image that you want. And now it's on the screen. You can use your finger to move it to a place that you like. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, this little dial at the top will make it bigger or smaller. You can also flip the sticker over here with the flip button. And if you don't like it, you just hit the trash button and you can start over. Now, by hitting this add button, you can pick a bunch of them. You just keep adding them, and you can fill up the whole screen with them. So why don't you throw a couple more up in there? Size them, flip them, do whatever you want. Just want to get a couple more examples. Go. You should go ahead and pick one more.
Wow, so I can just keep doing this?
Yeah, you can fill up, millions of planes if you want. You can make them bigger, smaller, coming from different directions if you want. When you're happy with what you got, this little mountain range right here, it's like your home range. It's going to take you back to your home page. So go ahead and click that, and then you process it. And normally you'll see an ad during this time. It takes about 5 seconds. By the time you want to skip it, your image should be fully processed.
Whoa, that looks great.
So that's sky replacement.
Now if I want to go back and add more stuff?
If you want to go back and add more stuff, you can go ahead and hit your back button, and then you can go back in the stickers and add more. If you want to change your background, you can do backgrounds too. So, nice.
Oh, yeah.
So, take it back home, process it, and it'll save all the planes and your background and everything you've done.
So, now if I want to change my background?
Yes, okay. So if you want to change the background, hit the back button, and then just go back up to where your backgrounds are. And that'll take you back into the collections. You can choose something else. And then you can size it or flip it when you like it. You're getting the hang of it.
Yeah. Pretty easy, actually.
It is.
Oh man. Now if I want to get rid of the explosion, I can just go back?
Yep. Do the same thing. Hit the back button,
Right.
and then go back into the stickers where you found the explosion,
Oh yeah.
and then it'll allow you to go ahead and you can hit your trash and get rid of it. If you want to move these around at the same time, you can do that too. When you like it, just go to the home page and hit your process.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. So what's this called?
Sky replacement.
Well, that's creative.
Isn't it though?
Yeah. Great. I love it. Thanks.
You're welcome.